Hey there, want to learn how to make a public profile on Snapchat? In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process how to create a public profile on Snapchat. Making your private or Snapchat account public is simple and easy to learn how to make a public Snapchat account. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to follow to make a public Snapchat account is open the Snapchat apps. Now tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. Now tap Setting. Now scroll down and find out this section called Privacy Control. First, tap Contact Me. Tap Everyone. Go back. Tap View My Store. Tap Everyone. Tap See My Location. Turn off Ghost Mode. Tap Enable. Tap Only this time. Now turn it off. Now go back to your Snapchat profile. Scroll down. Now you can see the profile. Scroll down. Now you can see the public profile is now visible on your Snapchat profile. Now tap Create Public Profile option. Tap Continue. Tap Get Started. Tap Create. Now your Snapchat public account will be created. Now you can customize your account the way you like. Now you can tap Edit Profile. Now after changing or customizing your profile, now let's take a look at it. Here you can tap Preview Profile. Now you can see that your public profile is activated and you got the subscribe button. Now if you have anything to ask about the public account, feel free to let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.